For these blueberry and apricot scones, we're going to need flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, cold butter, eggs, heavy cream, blueberries, and apricots. To start, we're going to take 2 cups of flour, and to that we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt, and then to that we're going to add in half a cup of brown sugar. We're going to mix that all in really well. Next, we're going to grate half a cup of cold butter. You want to make sure that the butter is nice and cold in order to prevent the scones from overspreading in the oven, and you want to grate this to make sure that it incorporates well into the flour. Once you have finished grating, you want to add this to your flour mixture and mix it in together until it becomes a nice sandy consistency. Next, you want to add in 1 egg and 1 cup of heavy cream. You want to make sure you leave about 1/4 cup of heavy cream on the side to drizzle onto the scones before placing them into the oven. Once you've added in those ingredients, you want to mix this all really well, and then you want to split the dough into 2 halves, and in one of the halves you want to add in the chopped apricot, and in the other half you want to add in the blueberries. Once you've added that in, you want to fold it into the mixture. Once you finish preparing the doughs, you want to add flour to a tray lined with parchment paper, and you want to arrange the dough on top of the tray into flattened 2-inch circles. I like to drizzle some flour on top of the dough as it allows it to cut easily, and then you want to cut the dough into different pieces. These are the pre-baked cut pieces of the scones. Onto this, I like to drizzle some heavy cream on top. This allows it to crisp up. After you have finished drizzling, you want to bake these at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes until they become golden brown. With that, this recipe comes to an end. I hope you all enjoyed it. As you can see, these scones look delicious. They're nice and crispy on the outside and soft and flaky on the inside. I love to enjoy this with a side of ice cream and drizzled maple syrup on top. This is just one of many ways you can enjoy these delicious scones. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.